Hi, hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. So today's topic is about collecting and selecting the best. So what do I mean by this? So I have to collect all the things that I needed, that I need to use when I go out, and select the best out of it. So what I mean is, since I'm planning to go out of the country for a while. I live in San Diego and I'm going out for the country for a while. I might I'll be visiting my sister back in Norway with her three kids because I miss them so much. And yeah, so one thing and foremost is you have to make sure, like, where are you going? Like, is it like a winter time, summertime? So you have to prepare all those things. So since this is summertime right now, so definitely I'll just be bringing some casual clothes, shorts, and a lot of tank tops. Yes. So because I don't want to go there winter time because I don't want to carry those thick jackets. I like that. That's not my thing. All right. So first thing and foremost, you have to take note also what are the things that you're gonna be needing there. All right. Your clothes, your prescription medicines, if you have prescriptions medicines, and your toiletries, right? Your toiletries. Now, for one factor, your medicine, make sure do not put it in your luggage, your check-in luggage. Put it in your hand carry or personal bag so that when you put it in your luggage, once your luggage get lost, you're dead. Patay ka. Right? So make sure you put it in your personal hand carry-on baggage. All right, that's it. Now for the clothes, since I'm going out for like 2 to 3 months, since I go to the gym, so definitely I'll be going to the gym there. So I'll be bringing some gym wear, like for example, this one, this the black shorts, and then the black sleeveless with a hoodie in. And then this one, a t-shirt also with the black and hoodie, wherein I can, uh, partner this with a black shirt, and perhaps I can use this on when I go out of the city, go to the grocery or whatever, just bum around the city. So I can just pair this with a shorts like denim, like this one, the torn denims. Yes, yeah, and this one too. See? So this one, all right. This one actually is a jeans. I cut it out. It's an old Abercrombie jeans. Yeah, this is an original Abercrombie, which there are like, you know, punit-punit. Ganyan talaga nung binili ko siya the first time I bought it in Abercrombie shop. And then, well, I don't use it anymore, so I cut it out. And I added a few appliques. See? That one? There. You got it? See. Yeah. So yeah, that's it. And then perhaps I can pair this with an extra shirt. Like this white shirts, I mean white crochet shirt. See that one? And this one, a casual t-shirt, or probably I can pair this with a white short also, right? So I'm gonna be like collecting all the shorts first, and then the shirt, and then whatever that is, medyo mas gusto ko talaga siya na dadalhin, yun yung i-collect natin. So I have these blue shorts. Actually, I can use this in the gym, or like day-to-day outerwear or streetwear. And then if I'm done with this, I can pair with this blue net-like shirt. You see that one? There. See? There. It's a net-like. Yeah, since it's summer. This is good for that place because it's net. And then what else? All right, the shorts here. I have a lot of shorts actually, so I don't know what to bring. All right, so I have orange. Oh wait, I have this stripe, black and white. Then I can pair this with a blue tank top, right? See, a blue tank top. Then this one there. Yeah. So that's one, and then this leopard short, a jersey leopard short, and then I can pair this with the black tank top also with a snake sequence. I got it from Zara. Yeah, you see. So this one, if you play with the sequence, it goes down like it changes the color. See there. So I guess it matches on the pants here. I mean the shorts, right? So that's two, and I have yeah okay. I have this white and beige or cream shorts where I can pair it with this one, this, right? Or with this one. See, a net like tank top too. Very summer, right? And then this one. So it's just a matter of coordination. So medyo may idea naman tayo tungkol sa fashion. So medyo hindi naman tayo magpapahuli diyan. All right. Pilipino tayo eh, 'di ba? Ayan talagang Pinoy, kailangan magaling din dumiskarte kahit papano. So medyo Japorms tayo, kumbaga, Japorms. Okay? So I have this Ralph Lauren white short. I can bring this to with and then I can pair this with this one. See, it's just a matter of mix and match, right? See that one? See, and then this one. I think this is very chic, very modern there. And then I have this floral. I bought it in Scotch and Soda. See, it's just short. It's very summer. Actually, I bought this last time when I went to Norway, and even until now, I didn't use it yet. I don't know why. I just keep on my closet there, and maybe hindi ko lang napapansin. Tapos nakita ko siya kanina. There. And then probably this one. See this? There. Is a leopard print, but I'm not really sure. Or maybe I can use this though, right? And this one, the brown shorts. Yeah, the jersey brown short, and then I can just pair this with this one, right? I got this from Zara. There, see? Yeah, right? Okay, and then this one is my old jeans also. I cut it out and then I added some this dragon appliques. I did it myself. And some of my friends when the first time I wear this, I wore this is like, where did you buy it? I said, I made it. Really? So that's it. You see? There. All right. And then this one uh orange. I'm planning. I really like this one because since I'm going there and we are planning to go to Spain also, specifically at Mallorca. Mallorca is like a beach place area, so I'm gonna be bringing this one, and then I could pair this with uh, probably this, a cream shirt there, and I can do this also. You see there. Yeah. And a long sleeves. Where is it? Where is it? This one, actually, this one. You see, actually, this one I bought it also from Norway at Scotch Soda before. Originally, it's a long sleeves, but I cut the sleeves, yeah, para medyo labas lang ng konti yung muscles dyan. And then I added this rose applique, and at the back, I added more applique. The Japanese, how do you call that again? The Japanese lady. You see that one? There. See? I made this. Yeah. So yeah, that one goes for that. Orange shorts and what else? Okay, this one is a tribal pants. Yeah, it's like a pajama, but you can wear this at the beach when you go walking, along the sand, or yeah. And every time I wear this, I'll just like push it up to the knee level, almost up to the knee level, and just pair it with a black tank top or beige or white tank top. Simple as that. Very refreshing. Yeah, the cloth is very light. It's very refreshing too. So it's just a tribal print. See there. Yes. And this one. Okay, here. Oh my goodness, I think this is a lot already. This one, yes. I can pair this with torn jeans too, shorts there, with a peacock print at the back, the whole shirt with peacock print, with very floral, very colorful. Yeah. And then what else? This one, I kind of like this too. It's two-sided thing wherein you can wear the other way around. There's like a blue rose print, and then you can also wear it the other way around, which is more white. And then when you fold the sleeves, the one that is showing is the one that is, there's the print thing. You see there. Yeah. And then I can pair this also with the jeans or this one. You know, I got this shirt from where is this again? Oh, Hollister. Hollister. I bought this and I never use it yet. I saw it again on my closet. I can use this also, with this one. There, you see? With my blue tank top. I got this in Philippines when I was in Philippines last year. Yeah. I think I have black, light blue, navy blue, and beige. Yes, beige. And then this one is a sleeveless shirt also with a Baroque style design print. This one I can just do like that. Also, it's a silk cloth. Yeah. So, masarap siya sa katawan. Malamig. Yeah. So this one, I can wear it also with a jeans, torn jeans, and probably with my camouflage jogger pants. This one. I'm not sure if it's good. Yeah. Comment down below if you like it, if it fits. If not, then forget it. Yeah. So camouflage. I'm not sure. These jogger pants, I got it from Zara. It medyo parang mainit ang dating. Since summer ang pupuntahan natin, summer place. I mean, summer ngayon, parang ang feeling ko lang parang mainit ito. So, we will see kung dadalhin ko to or what. Kasi, collect lang muna ng collect and then mamaya, or maybe tomorrow, select natin which one is the best as far as I am concerned. There you want. So, that's it. And then, all right, here. The Levi's jeans. Do you think I should bring this too? And pair with a denim jacket. I'm planning to wear this at the airport or in the plane, but no, I don't think so because you know what? When you are, make sure when you are on the plane, always wear clothes that are comfortable with you. Because, example, like, you know, my ticket is on economy class, so the leg room of the seats is not that really comfortable enough to stretch out your leg, and of course your neighbor beside you or the other way around, and hopefully I'll be getting the window seat or maybe the aisle seat. Yeah, and I just wish that during this trip, wala akong katabi. So akin yung tatlong seats na yun. Suppose, I'm just praying for that. So I could just, raise up the arm, rest, and then lie down onto the three seats that is available. Hopefully, and I wish wala akong katabi. Yeah. All right. And then, what else? Oh, okay. I'm gonna be bringing also black shirt just in case. So I'm gonna checking this one, and probably I'm gonna be bringing this long sleeves net-like shirt. See there, there. Yeah, nakikita nyo ako, no? So very net. Yeah. So ito naman medyo panggabi na lakad. Yeah, kasi baka pumunta rin ako sa Germany during the Pride weekend kasi I used to be in Singapore before. I used to work there before, and some of my friends already moved to Germany. Three of them moved to Germany, and it's been a long time, almost like 10, 15 years that we never see each other again. So I think this is the right time to see them again and reunite with them. And yeah, magkwentuhan ng kung ano-ano. Yeah. And additional to my daily wear is like this one. I bought this in Manila when I was there last year, and then pair it with a white shorts, right? Or the white jeans that I have. I'm planning to bring that one there. And then this one also, the gray shirt. This is a gym wear too. See? And pair with this for the gym or maybe daily wear, just like that, with an elephant print in the front. Yeah. So I have a great t-shirts. I'm not sure if I'm gonna bring this. Maybe I can. You see, for just casual and daily wear. Yeah, or maybe pantulog. Yeah. Otherwise, kung madami na talaga akong dala, hindi na ako magdadala ng pantulog. Manghiram na lang ako dun. Yeah, mas gusto ko yung maluwag na mga t-shirts mga shorts para relax matulog. Yeah. Always, always when you go to sleep, when you go in bed, always wear the very, very relaxed and comfortable clothes, especially the one if you're wearing shorts, especially do not wear the tight one because your waistline, you need to relax your waistline also in order to prevent those dark spot here like stretch mark you know yeah, better mag underwear ka na lang matulog. Yeah. And then one more thing, this one I really like it. Actually, this is a sweater, but I decided to cut the sleeves out. And what I like the most here is the print. It's from Aerosmith. I believe this is during their concert. It says Sweet Emotion Boston. Yeah, it's Aerosmith. I like the print. The you see, it's very embroidery. I like it so much. So yeah, just imagine when you wear this with your sleeves out. Yeah. So pair this with a short jeans too, or probably this one. I don't know. Yeah, I can, maybe I can wear this. Yeah, right? That's it. And yeah, oh, this one. This one is kinda like knitted cloth. Medyo mainit siya. But I like it. I bought it in Bohoman. Yeah, see? There. And with a top. I don't know if I would use this the same on top and the bottom is like this. Hindi ba ako magmumukhang chest na? Or otherwise, I'll just pair with this one with a black shorts and maybe this one with a black tank top on top or as a black t-shirt. We'll see. Or an off-white or cream shirt like this. See? Yeah, that one. Definitely, I'm gonna bring this one. Yeah, sleeveless, like crochet type of shirt, knitted. Yeah, although it's kind of like medyo mainit, but sleeveless naman at saka may mga eyelet siya. See, may mga eyelet eh, right? There. Yeah. So it's just a matter of mix and match. So arrange ko ulit dito. I'm going to arrange everything, the color scheme, para kung doble-doble na ang color or something like that, then disregard para ma-lessen up. Kasi supposed to be one luggage lang ako allow, which is 50 uh, kilograms or 50 pounds, right? Yeah, no, 23 kilograms, and which is equivalent to 50 pounds. But I don't think I can manage to bring just one luggage because meron pa akong extra belongings, especially my shoes, my sneakers, and yung pasalubong, yung spam. Nire-request nila yung spam. Wala kasi doon, spam. Ang kanila doon is ibang klase. Yung mga Scandinavian product na hindi maganda, hindi masarap. Masarap pa rin ang spam. Yeah. So, meron akong spam na regular, meron akong spam na tocino flavor. I didn't even know that. The regular, the spicy, and the tocino flavor. It's good. Yeah, and then I have a few bags of chocolates for the kids. Martina, she's 5 years old. Eman, I think he's 7 or 8 years old now. And Isabel, she's 11 years old. Yeah, they were here 2 years ago, right after pandemic, and I guess it's about time for me to go and visit them again. Yeah, I believe this is my sixth or seventh visit to Norway. Yeah, because before I have two sisters there. My eldest sister passed away because of terminal cancer that she suffered during that time, and that was so bad for us. And yeah, that's it. And what else? Okay, so I'm not sure about this orange Adidas if I'm going to be bringing this, but we will see. All right. And then another gym wear is the black Adidas jogging pants and then the tank top. I bought this when I was in Paris, like before pandemic. And hindi ko pa nagagamit actually to. Actually, medyo maganda. Minsan nagamit ko nga ata to once lang sa club. Sa club ha? Yeah, hindi sa gym. Yeah. Oh, that's it. And this one I like it because do you see the texture of the cloth is kind of like padded square, you see? Then and paired with this top also. Yeah, like that. Right. Yeah, medyo Japorms ang dating, ano? Ha? Japorms and the Japorms. So, naka-sneakers ka lang na Converse, naka-sneakers ka lang na Converse. That's good. Yeah, actually, all my clothes, I can just wear this with the sneakers, the Converse sneakers. Otherwise, my Otsunuka silver shoes and uh, a white Nike sneakers, probably for the gym. Yeah. Oh, one more thing. This one. This black shorts with this black printed shirt. I bought this with Johnny Cota. Johnny Cota is the one who won Project Runway. I cannot recall which season was he in, but he won it. And this is one of the few of his design. Yeah, actually, I have another one for from him. It's like a bandana. Let me get it. See this one? It's from his collection too. It's bandana. It's very sheen, yeah, very sheer and very see-through. But I'm not sure if I'm gonna be bringing this too. Well, we'll see. Yeah, yeah, I kind of like it. This very music festival on the thing. Yes. And what else? Okay, so there's still a lot to bring, like my underwear, my socks. Kasi ayoko naman bumili ng socks doon or ewan ko, bahala na. Tapos, ano pa ba? Yeah, I, oh, this one. My, another gym wear. My ASRV shorts na meron ng inner lining cycling shorts, you know, and with a black tank top also. Yeah, every time I go to the gym, I usually go blacks. Yeah, I don't know why. Medyo para payat siguro tignan. Yeah, kasi medyo tumaba ako eh. Yun lang. And yeah, that's it. So, if this collect and select thing that you think is helpful for you, probably you might consider to subscribe on my channel and hit that bell icon in order for you to notify every time I load a new vlog or a new video for my upcoming trip. And definitely I'm going to be uploading more videos for probably next month because I'm leaving the country at the end of the month. That's 30th of May, and I'll be back August 21. Yes. And yeah, so please subscribe and like and share this video if this is very helpful for you. If if you think that okay, it's helpful enough, yeah. And well, I'll see you and we'll explore for the next one. All right, bye guys.